Hi everyone, in this video we're going to review the benefits of having a group on Nextdoor. So as you know, you can create a group on Nextdoor where you can have thematized posts. It's an easy way for people when you are posting to find you, and let's assume you are a painter doing some works in painting, so that each time you want to publish something related to your activity, let's say you create the painting jobs in Milwaukee, then you will post all your related content to your business in your group. So when you do that, people who will see your post, because there's no restrictions or no difference between the fact that you're posting from your personal profile either on the the feed line or in your group, people will get to see your post in the same way. But the advantage of doing so will give you a kind of funnel construction where if people join the group, then they will see all your previous posts related to your activity. They don't have to search in a different way, and it's all located in the same way. Plus, on your group profile, you can put at the top a proper picture and also introduction where you can put your email address or link to your website, and also that will help you capture emails. Remember, creating a mailing list is one of the digital assets your company should have in mind all the time to create in order to send your daily or weekly newsletter and be able to reach your customers easily. So on top of that, each time somebody joins your group, I strongly advise you to keep your group open. You will then be able to acknowledge their joining the group, but also send them a private DM without this being considered by Nextdoor as a spam. So you can then send them a promo code or first a welcome message, and in the same message say we are having this promotion this month, feel free to contact us, here is a X discount or voucher or something like this. So it's an easy way to contact the people and send them direct messages. That will of course improve knowledge of your activity towards these people. So I'll show you the type of automation that we have done for a customer, and that you can see here on this group. I've done a video in the past, but it was actually of very low quality, but now we are going to see that our automation, let's say, approves. It's clicking on one of these button. It approves first, then it goes on the profile of the person that has been approved, then you click on the send a message, and then the message is sent or typed automatically. One important part in sending message is to make them kind of unique each time. We don't want to have a copy paste of a message that would also be considered as spam, so we want to avoid that. We never want to infringe the guidelines from the network. And for example, we are using a function that's called spin tags that gives you the possibility to alternate words or phrases. For example, here we say hey, we could say good day, hello, welcome, nice to meet you, and then it sends the message. So the way we have programmed that is to avoid any trouble and any infringement from the guidelines from the Nextdoor regulations. So we cycle through, we go to the next one. Here we have several to go through. I will not continue to see all of them, because also we have set up some let's say rhythm to do all this automation. We don't want to send 5 messages in less than 10 seconds. We could do it, but it's not recommended. So now we are taking our time to send all these messages as if we would be typing them in real life. So that's part of the quality process that we have implemented. If you can read that properly, it's all in French for one of our customers in France, who has a group of more than or close to 7,000 people, and he sends each time an URL in the message, and people can then go on the landing page and subscribe, and they get inside a mailing list and get messages sent. So that's the benefit that I wanted to address and advise you to do, to create a group and post dedicated publication within this group that will, let's say, fine-tune your lead capture within Nextdoor. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. I will answer them at a later stage in the next video, for example. And leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial and more videos. I'll try to post them on a regular basis, once a day if I'm not traveling. And I hope you still could understand my English in spite of my French accent. I'm French, and I'm Eric. Was nice making this video. Wishing you a pleasant day. Take care. Bye bye.